Okay, so this video is going to show you how to log information about somebody you interact with into your CRM. And we're going to use Salesforce as the example for this video. So there's plenty of times when you interact with somebody that you want to log that information. When you call them, when you email them, when you meet them. And there's two basic ways that we're going to show you today how to log those activities. The first one is if you're sending an email, you can log that email automatically by BCCing a unique email address, and we'll show you how to do that. The second one is you can manually go into the CRM, click a button, and log an activity. And those are the two basic ways, and then finally we'll show you how to view the data so that you can use that information to manage your relationships with your contacts and leads. Okay, so now you're at the home screen of the CRM, and before you log an email activity, you'll have to do this action one time. You'll have to get the unique email address that you copy or BCC to log the activity. So to do that, you go to Setup, and you go to Email, and you go to My Email to Salesforce. And this long email address is the address that you will be BCCing. It's unique to every user. And you do need to make sure that your email that you'll be sending from is in the My Acceptable Email Addresses. So now that you've got that in that long email, we'll go ahead and we'll compose an email. So here you can see I've written a test email. Now I'll go ahead and type in that long string, and I will go ahead and send that. And so that will automatically be appended as long as the person that I sent it to is an email address that's in my CRM. If it's not, you can go to this little button right here, which is Unresolved Items, and you can resolve those items. So now let me quickly show you how we can manually log an activity. So we can click here to the contact record, and we can hit Log a Call. And so we'll go ahead and hit Log a Call, and we can pick what type of activity, and you can customize these types. And in this case, we could just say Meeting with Andy, and hit Save. And so then that is logged. And now you can see that that is logged right here. So in this case, you can see that the test email is not here. So I'm going to go to the Unresolved Items, where I will find it. For some reason it's ended up here, and I will go ahead and link it to the contact, and it will then be assigned, and then I can go right here and see the test email. So with that, you have the two ways of logging activities. Now the neat thing about this is you'll have every activity recorded here. You'll be able to see each email that's ever been sent to Andy Mowat, and you can also sort and view contacts by the last activity. So it gives you a lot of information to be able to, if you wanted to do a search and say, show me anybody that I've had an activity with in the last 30 days or the last day or the last week, you could very easily do that. And so it's a very useful tool for tracking all the different conversations you have with a contact. And with that, you've now learned how to log activities into your CRM.